Hey kids, so today I'm going to show you how to solve how you are supposed to solve the check for understanding assignment on internet services and presentation software. That is Google Slides. Okay, so this was your first page. We're supposed to write your name in full. Okay, so for now I'll solve this form as a student. So I'm going to write my name. Okay, suppose I'm selecting 5A as my section. Click on next. We move to the next page. Now Dash provides internet connectivity to individuals and companies. Okay, so um, who provides the internet? We have learned this. Yes, that's correct. Internet service provider is the one who provides internet. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. Now, Dash is used for communication between two computers for transmission of digital data over telephone line. Okay, so now internet service provider provides internet. Okay, but transmission of digital data, hotspot can't do it because hotspot is also a type of internet that we use. Wi-Fi is also a type of internet that we use. Now, for the transmission of digital data over telephone line, we use modem. Why? Because that's their work, right? That's its work to modulate and demodulate a signal the way we learned it, changing of digital signal to analog and then analog to digital again. We do it, yeah. So we use modem for transmission of digital data over telephone line. Now the third question was, identify the type of signal the telephone line is carrying, represented by a question mark in the image given below. Now this was the same image that we have learned during our sync sessions also. Yeah, so there are two types of signals. One is digital, second one is analog. Yeah, so the computer produces the data in form of digital signal. It goes to modem. Then the modem converts the signal into analog signal. And this analog signal travels or transmits over the telephone line. So instead of this question mark over here, you should write analog signal. So that's what I am going to mark. Now Dash offers facilities that enables sharing of computer, network, storage, application and services. Yeah, so we can select cloud computing. Why? Because over a cloud computing is made for all of these, right? It is made for sharing of computer network, it is made for sharing of storage, applications and services. Okay, now identify the icon given in the image given below. Okay, so I identified as Dropbox. Yeah, what does ISP stand for? It's Internet Service Provider. That's the correct answer. Is BSNL a service provider for internet? Yes, that's true. Which is not a cloud service. Yeah, Google Drive, yes, it gives us features of storage, it gives us features of sharing of resources, everything, right? We are using Google Drive. iCloud is an cloud service given by Apple, and Dropbox is also, this is Dropbox. So Dropbox is also a cloud service. So the remaining part is Reliance. Reliance is a company that produces or that gives us internet. We have Reliance Jio. Yeah. So the correct option is Reliance. Conversion of one form of signal to another form is called as, of course, it's a process. Router is a hardware. Wi-Fi is a form of internet. None of the above is not the option. So the process name is modulation. A dash is a piece of hardware with a modem and multiple ports that allows it to connect to many devices without wires. Now it's a very great question. Okay, so can you guess one answer? A dash is a piece of hardware. Okay, so here is a trick, right? The clue is given to you. It's a piece of hardware. Wi-Fi is not an hardware. Hotspot is not an hardware. Satellite communication is also not an hardware. It's a process, right? So the hardware over here is a router. Now, does router has a modem? Yes, we have a modem in router. Does a router has multiple ports? Yes, router has many ports. And does it give internet? Of course, a router gives internet to us. And does it allow to connect to many devices? Of course, we connect to many devices, like we connect to router from many devices. Like we have our mobile phones that are connected to a router. We have our laptops that are connected to our router. We have smart TVs that are connected to router. So yes, the router is the correct answer. Okay, I hope this was clear for all of you. Thank you so much.